The Mutant saddle harness is meticulously designed for one primary purpose: enabling all-day hunts with absolute comfort. Its ergonomic shape contours to your body, enhancing comfort and support throughout your hunt. Its cozy, breathable mesh seat, quick connect buckles, and an adjustable Dyneema bridge provides all-day unsurpassed comfort with easy-to-use high, medium, and low support settings. It allows simple adjustment for leaning trees and gives you full control over where you need support most. FlexBridge is constructed with Dyneema, one of the strongest pound-for-pound fibers on the planet. It's stronger than steel. It floats. It's weather-resistant. It's ultralight. With nearly 20 inches of on-the-fly adjustability, everyone can find their saddle hunting sweet spot. There's no metal, no bulk, and it's the strongest adjustable bridge ever made. Mutant is exceptionally versatile with its MAL integration, making it highly modular. Its streamlined design guarantees compact packing profile, while the reinforced lineman's loops ensure durability for the long haul. Elevate your hunting experience with a Mutant saddle harness. Comfort, versatility, and durability all in one.